Welcome back to another video. So this is the second day of the trip, and this is the PG. I want to show you the PG. I did. Oh, sorry, Airbnb. So yesterday I did not show you the Airbnb. So this is the entrance. As soon as you enter, there are 3 mirrors and shoe rack, but we don't care. We put it down there. Okay. There's a dustbin and a small TV, and someone is working inside the TV with a baby.
So that's husband.
Jay having breakfast. Mommy also having breakfast. Suraj went out for some reason. And there's a frame. See Jay, that frame is much better than yours. How do you feel now?
Too small.
Too small.
No,
Now let me show you the kitchen and everything. This is the kitchen. Modular. But there is not much of things here. They locked all the utensils, only limited utensils. And there's another bedroom here. This is a master bedroom with attached washroom and toilet and a huge wardrobe and a mirror. Yay! Washroom check. Okay. Mirror is good, big, nice. So this is the Airbnb. Okay, so we are going to the mall now again in Saket because yesterday we left Jay's phone there. So we need to go and pick it up. And then, what else? Yeah, we're going to Sarojini also. Sarojini, mom needs to buy some things, so we'll get it from there. And what else? Yeah, we'll see guys. It will be interesting day. The whole day I will vlog, so watch from beginning till the end. Okay? Now the time is 12:20 and Suraj is also here. We're heading out to Saket City Work to get his phone now. And after that, we'll do some file transfer and stuff like that. And yeah, we have to buy case and whatnot from Sarojini.
temple glass.
So many things. Check mommy, guys. Oh, mommy will change the socks, guys. Excuse the socks.
Hey, what all you to show them?
Roasted successfully. Guys, read my outfit.
Scan.
36. We are off to the mall. Welcome to Saket. Oh, Sensodyne. Apple Store is that side at the end. Mommy, you like iPad?
Yes.
You like iPad or iPhone?
iPad.
Really? We'll take this one. Okay.
Buy for me.
Free, man, free. Yeah, you just have to run away very fast.
Nice one. Not funny.
Checking out the MacBook Pro. Oh, I'm recording it. Oops. Yes, Jay got his phone after spending 30k. Rich. Where's the display? Why is it so bright? Oh. Okay. Happy now. Yay. Awesome. Nice. Rich people.
It's
Secretly millionaire. Why in front of Apple? Now we'll go to H&M to buy some merch. Jay and I, we got one
this
sweatshirt.
same.
Same but different rang. You know, different color.
Yeah.
Jay is rich, guys. He bought for me one. He paid the price. Guys, it's time for our lunch. Mommy, are you excited? Oh, you started already?
Yes.
X started.
Okay, so we're gonna have this chicken full of bucket full of chicken. This is my favorite, guys. Yay! We are unable to eat everything. We took it with us. Now we are going to buy something because we need to bath. Wow! Merry Christmas going on. Happy Christmas to you. Buy two, get two, mommy, get two. Mommy didn't like the fragrance.
Yes.
It smells like
Nee.
padikida.
Ada kira.
Stinky bug. What are you looking for? Huh?
I'm just waiting for people to finish shopping.
And then we can go to real
shopping.
shopping at
That is for us.
yeah, Sarojini. Wintering.
Yes.
Oh, mummy taking advantage. Washing hands, mummy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Smell is so bad.
Wait, what are you applying here and there? Huh?
Japanese cherry blossom. Arigatou gozaimasu.
मेरोमा चाहिँ त्यो चेरी ब्लसम पाउडर पठाइदिनु.
Arigato gozaimasu.
We
You didn't like anything?
No.
This place is boring, right?
Yeah.
Guys, the mall is very boring. Now let's go to Sarojini. It's way fun there. Mom, you want lipstick?
Yes.
Sarojini.
I
We'll
don't
buy
have.
from Sarojini.
Oh please. Lipstick त कहाँ सरोजिनीमा?
Zudio.
पाउँदैन?
Zudio.
Mom, if we buy from Nykaa Lux, mommy, if
यहाँ छैन पाउँदैन.
Mommy.
यहाँ
Mom,
नाइकामा.
if we buy from Nykaa Lux,
अँ.
Thailand trip cancel.
हुन्छ भरे अन्त किनौँ न.
Mummy starting to look for lipstick. Thailand trip cancel, guys. No more Thailand because mom is buying lipstick from MAC. Mommy, bye bye. No more Thailand. Let's go.
Let's go. I saw the price.
Let's go Thailand.
Let's go. I saw the price.
I saw the price. We saw,
I
the,
saw the
price.
price.
Let them pay.
2,800.
Really?
Let's go. Let's go.
That's too much. 2,800 for one lipstick. Ew. Ladies department guys. I hope the price is much better here. दिखा कुछ. Not written.
This is more dangerous.
More dangerous. No price.
Yes.
Oh bhai. Oh, I thought this was Zudio. Yes, Zodiac. Mommy's hand full of color.
त्यो पनि राम्रो.
Colorful color.
त्यो राम्रो छ.
Somebody is making a video of that. Is it? Bulgari. Bulgari opening.
Yes.
Okay.
No, it was
looks
already
like you.
here.
Looks like you. Same guys. Jay and the cameraman looks alike. 675 for one thing,
For one thing, let's go home.
which is to be applied only on the lips. Lippy stick. What are you doing? Oh, mirroring. My hair looks much better, guys, because I don't have hairstyle. I think I look much better, right? Guys, in the comment section. But Jay is more cute, they say. And I'm more manly. Let's go. Maika.
Back then and cute.
Maika la. Let's go now. Exiting. Wow, Saket City Walk has a different kind of Christmas tree theme. Guys, teddy bear theme. Teddy bear Christmas tree made of teddy bear. What is this happening? Oh,
Train will go around.
oh, a train will go around. Mommy, you can't go. So this is Select City Walk. There. That's the main face of the City Walk. And this is the not face of the City Walk.
This is the main face.
Main face. Oh, it's getting colder. It's not cold, but it's cool, so it's colder. Becoming colder. India flag, guys. Mera Bharat Mahan, make way for India.
Make way for India.
So this is for rich people. So the only thing we could get was KFC and Maika for mummy. Guys, 5 in one auto. Suraj. Oh, six in one auto. Sorry. I almost forgot. Oh bhai. Oh bhai. Wow. Welcome to the metro. Hey, mummy cash. Wow. This is Saket Metro. Suraj. Oh, sorry, my bad, guys. It's Malviya Nagar Metro Station. It's not Saket. Oh, yeah, Saket was the name of the city walk. Saket City Walk. Saket Select City Walk. But we are going to Malviya Nagar Metro Station. Okay. And from here, we have to change the line from change the line in INA.
पूरी खाली हो गई.
Malviya Nagar get number 3, guys. Magic, guys. No. metro ticket for
यस्तो स्क्यान गर्नुपर्छ यसपालि अनि यो राखिराख्नु भयो त्यसरी
let's go.
Next station is Horse Cars.
Making noise.
यता कि उता
Uta, we have to go that way. Sarojini Bazaar. Only for girls. Mostly for girls. 90% for girls. 95% for girls. It's so crowded, like super duper crowded, guys. I need to get keychain. That's all I need.
I need to get
Kaan ke bali. Jay needs to get stud. Earring, ring wala. Jhumka. Jhumka for Jay. If you don't know, all these buildings are new. I think this is to replace the market at the Sarojini. See? Downtown. It says all retail shops are open for rent. Guys, if you want to rent retail shops, it's all available. Ready for position retail. Let's go. This is the new one. The old market is that side, I think. Yeah, I think. I know this building. It's behind the building. Sarojini Market, Nagar. Who is making noise? Oh, uncle just singing. Okay. Maybe 3:30. There's the real market. Sarojini, South Wing. Look at the crowd inside. Too much crowd inside. Too much crowded. It's super. But why? I mean, it's not even weekend. It is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, but it's so crowded. Why? What is going on? What is going on? So this is gate number 2 and it is empty. I don't know why everyone is lining up in gate number 1 for no reason. That gate was fully crowded, fully packed. This side is khali. Life hack, guys. Life hack. Okay. Wait, Jay. I think we need to wait for the mummy party. Mom, set your priorities. Set your priorities. We'll get the thing and then we'll leave. No time pass, okay? Don't say I want to buy everything. Before mom gets her things, we'll get our phone case and we'll need to replace her tempered glass also. There are plenty of cases here.
the tempered glass.
Tempered glass, I think that side, the other side. Okay. Yeah, there. Tempered glass also. I think we can get it from there. That side. But it never ends. See? वो कान के बाली. You want?
यहाँ से फिक्स था ये
100 fixed price.
एउटा पठाइदिउँ न यसो।
अच्छा लगा? Looks nice.
हुन्छ होला यत्रो
Jay got his jhumkas, guys. Check this out. Jay got his jhumka. Jay got his jhumka. Sarojini Market. Oh, bhai. Everybody is rushing in now. Everybody rushing in.